Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve project management with Asana step by step clearly. Begin by creating an Asana account if you haven't already. Visit the Asana website and click on the Get Started button. Fill in the necessary details to set up your account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Create a new project by clicking on the plus New Project button. You can choose to start from a template or create a blank project. Give your project a clear and descriptive name. Add a brief project description to define its purpose. Next, organize your project by creating sections to categorize tasks. Use headings to divide tasks into manageable categories. Begin adding tasks by clicking on the plus Add Task field. Be specific when naming tasks to ensure clarity. Assign tasks to team members by selecting their names from the drop-down menu. Set due dates for each task to maintain deadlines. Use priority markers to indicate the importance of each task. You can add subtasks to break down larger tasks into smaller steps. Utilize the attachments feature to upload relevant files for tasks. Implement tags or labels for additional organization. Asana's comment feature allows for team communication on specific tasks. Use the calendar view to visualize deadlines and timelines. Seek feedback from team members by sharing the project link. Regularly update the project status to track progress. Use the reporting features to analyze project performance. Hold weekly check-ins to ensure everyone is aligned. Adapt your project plan as needed based on team input and progress. Leverage Asana's integration with other tools to streamline workflows. Engage in continuous learning through Asana's resources and community. By following these steps, you can enhance your project management efficiency using Asana. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.